What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Hurts to Be Human by Pink and Khalid. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free, brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay, you guys, so this song is in standard tuning. There's 4 chords that you need to know for this song, and if you need the diagrams, they will be in the free ebook that's in the description below. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It has all the chord diagrams along with a bunch of really other useful information for beginners, intermediate players, even advanced players. 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. So if you need that, check it out at the end of the video along with the guitar tab for the intro riff. I'll have that down there as well. So if you need any of that, check it out once you get done with the video. For now, we're going to start with the verse. So the verse is the only thing that's different than the rest of the song. Once I show you the chords for the rest of the song, those just play through over and over again throughout the song, but the verses are, they have a little bit of picking to them. So you're going to start on the 2nd fret on your A string, and you're going to pick A, D, G. Then you're going to go to the 3rd fret on your A string and pick the same strings, A, D, G. Then you're going to go to the 3rd fret on your low E string, and you're going to pick the E, D, G, and you're going to pick it again the same way. So again, A, D, G, A, D, G, E, D, G, and then you're going to repeat that again, except the first time you're picking, you're going to pick your low E string with just open. So it's going to go E, D, G, then back to your 3rd fret on your A, D, G, back to your 3rd fret on your low E. And then you play that twice again. So all that together looks like this. So that's going to be your verse. After that, we're going to jump into the chords. You're starting with an E minor. It's going to be 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. Again, if you need these chord diagrams, they're in the free ebook in the description. E minor, then you're going to go to D, which is going to be 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 2. Then you're going to go to C major, 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. Then you're going to a G major, 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. Now you can use whatever strumming pattern feels comfortable. One that will fit throughout the entire song is going to be a simple down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Looks like this. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.